Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And then what you have to do is to press combination power key and volume down at the same time like this, and screenshot will be taken. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. You can also take screenshot by going to the upper bar here, and you have the button screenshot here, which works the same way. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshot album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.